Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here. We got a couple more neck surgery jigs that we're shipping out. This one's going to Michael in California. So this is how they come. You get the CNC'd hardwood router sled that's a perfect match to a Bosch Colt router plate. So this is the box that you'll receive it in. This is actually a former student that's coming to pick it up tomorrow, so his doesn't even really need to be packaged, but I'm just doing it for the camera so you see how we ship these things safely around the world. I will be finishing up that ES 125 tomorrow, compensated nut, and set up for the wound third. Just a quick shout out to Michael Bingman from Des Moines, Iowa, whose cat knocked over his 335 and snapped the headstock off. It's always a tragic thing, but we will take care of that here and get it back to you better than new. Thanks for your faith. We'll be in touch soon. Cheers. I do include a 9-step tutorial. I also follow this up in email with a bunch of pictorial tutorials step by step so that we can walk you through this thing effortlessly. Now, the other thing I wanted to mention is the new GPS unit is designed to receive the neck surgery jig onto the top platform. We just slipped the neck assembly off like you've seen in my other videos. Now, I have had quite a few people from around the world that have ordered the neck surgery kit and just kind of retrofit it for their own purposes. I've also had customers that have bought the neck surgery kit first, did 2 or 3 neck surgeries to cover the cost of the neck surgery kit, and generate enough money to order their GPS unit. It does work without the tack deck. It's just the tack deck makes it completely seamless. Your choice. Cheers. So this will be sent out first thing in the morning to Michael at East Bay Guitar Repair in California, and Jason will be by to pick up his unit sometime this week.